Truly, truly a magical place. Wouldn't you think so, Mr. Beast? After all, we're here in the Hall of Mosses, here to connect with nature and become one with the trees, as Lorax would say. We're going to keep walking around and enjoying this beautiful, beautiful day. Enjoy these clips. It has been an uncharacteristically long, long day. And mid-editing, I realized I forgot to tell y'all what day it was. Silly me. Today is day 361 of tagging you until you invite me on to the next season of Beast Games. Crazy day. Popped a tire, rode a tow truck for an hour and a half, bought a whole new tire, and drove another